What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and this is actually a continuation from our column series episode. And today's episode is somewhat rather similar to column series, but as a mix to it, which is we'll be doing a stack columns instead. So stack columns or column series stack is a very useful chart personally for me as well, which helps me to see the dynamics or different types of categories that we have and what is their contribution towards a certain metric. Usually it's either by year or month or by anything that you can think of. So again, this is something that you may want to consider trying as well. And of course, there's a certain set of data that would fit well, and we will see the example shortly. So without further ado, let's check it out. All right, guys. So our previous video, we have talked about the column series, whereby we did the column series when we have three types of items and sales for that same particular month, and you can see the column series presenting as it should. But now we want to add another type of column series, which is the column series stack. So how would that work? Well, basically we need a data that would fit the purpose of the stack column. Now, as you can see, I have the year, and we have the columns for each region, such as North America, Europe, Asia, South America. Now, what stack column would do is it will stack the respective region in that same year. Now, let's go and see how we can actually do that. So as usual, the first thing that we want to do is to ensure that we have the data set ready. So I'm just going to add new data, and Appsheet is being nice to me by recommending this table that's yet to be added, which is the column stack table. So now we have this ready. All right, so moving on to the next one, which is to create the view. So let's create a new view. Let's call this stack. And using the stack table, using chart, which is the view type, chart, and chart type would be column series, but there is a stack option or variant. Just gonna select that. So now for the chart columns, I'm gonna be using the regions right away: Europe, Asia, and South America. Now beautifully the stacks are showing as it should, and I guess that's all to it. As again, I'm not so good in colors. It looks very weird. Okay, but it's fine. All right, so at the end of the day, as long as you have the right data, the stack column would serve you well. And there you go. Stack column and comparing with the normal column series. And as you can see, the breakdown for each year, the moment you highlight, you will see the dynamics or the types of transaction that you have for that particular year. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And of course, my thanks to all for your support, and we'll see each other again in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and do let me know what else you want to see in the comment section down below. So take care. Bye bye.